What is happening in Bitcoin, guys? It's been a very crazy time in crypto. Bitcoin, just in general, has been heading down. But I'm going to give you my thoughts, but we're going to check out the charts right now. So we're looking at Bitcoin on the monthly, guys. And basically, about earlier this year or late last year, Bitcoin was in the 50s, 60,000s, and now we're sitting at 20,000. That is a huge haircut, guys. So if you've been buying, hodling, you're waiting for it to bounce. This here, guys, seems like it is not coming back. Not for a long time if it does. It's kind of like when it hit 19,000 the first time. It took a long time for it to come back and bypass it. So, guys, I'm going to give you my thoughts, and we're going to go straight to the daily. So, even when it comes to trading this, guys, this bottom right here that is building off of this support, I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. So, here's this month, right? The month. And this month is about to close out. And it is not looking good. Actually, give me a second. Let me do box. Now, basically, this is the support zone sitting basically at $20,000, guys. Now, I can guarantee, if everyone is seeing this. Like, if you look at the charts, look at how many people are looking at this. This is on 3.4 million people's watch list. So everyone's seeing right now, and they all think. I would say a lot of them are thinking to buy right now. I say not. I am not going to buy right now. I think it may pop up a little bit, but I think the overall direction is far, 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 far lower. And I'm not talking about a little bit. I think even 50% of where it currently is where it's heading down. Now, I may be wrong, guys, but for me, guys, my overall direction when it comes to Bitcoin is to short. I think buying or hodling this is not going to be good. And overall, I'm looking at it from because I trade Bitcoin far, far, far more than I do cash positions or hodl. And this right here, like even if it bounces up, taking a sell stop down here under this position, like taking a sell stop under here and shorting all the way down, I think one of the best shorts is going to be if we get headed to the weekly. If you get for a Bitcoin, is shorting from its current position or a little bit lower down to these highs down here. These highs right here, make this support zone right here. We're talking about like 10,000. So that's where my price prediction is going to be. Just say it's an easy 10,000 down right here of these highs. So we're talking about maybe say 11,000. This zone right here. So the current price, my price prediction is 11,000, and I'm going to be shorting this all the way down because I think the majority of people are going to be buying. I think the big money is looking at a short. People think it's going to reverse, and it's typically just the opposite of what people want them to do. They all wanted to buy the dip, and if you bought the dip, the last couple dips, you've been in some big, big losses. If you've been shorting, if you bought the dip a little bit, you would have been up, but not too long. You only had like a little bit over a month of profit until it, either took out your stop loss or feeling the pain for it. But if you're trading it, you should have gotten out by now. But if you're going short, this is a great position. This is a great time. So that's my price prediction, guys. 11,000. Tell me what you guys' thoughts are about that. But let's look at some other things when it comes to Bitcoin. Bitcoin current price 19,646, guys, on 3.4 million watch list. Also, still ranked number one with a market cap of $375 billion. So that's a lot. Now, if you guys looking at trading, hodling Bitcoin, it's on everything. Like, it's on Coinbase. It's on, like, most brokers. You can trade it. Now, if you guys want to trade it, I use FX Choice. If you guys want to use it, my affiliate code is down in the description. Or if you want to use it for Coinbase, which I use it on there also. So try it both out. Both platforms are very, very good. Also, when it comes, here's some news from CoinMarketCap that's related to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. So if you guys want some news, just try out in the description box below. I'll have it posted. But other than that, guys, I got some updates from my website. I added this MQRL 4 and 5 programming spot. And if you guys want to learn more about programming, I'm still building it out right now, adding videos for it. So I add some details about moving averages, basics to an EA, exit indicator, trend indicator, and Bollinger Bands. And if you guys are looking for some education, I'm still building that right now. I am building a free education spot. So people want to go through my course, you guys can have it out. If not, you can have that mentorship one-on-one with myself. But If you guys want to find more details, just hit the contact and below and get back to me. Other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.